Did you know a man died for believing in infinite worlds 400 years before science proved him right? Giordano Bruno dared to imagine something revolutionary. While everyone believed Earth was the center of everything, Bruno saw the truth. The sun was just another star. Earth circled the sun, and countless other Earths existed throughout space, teeming with life. The Inquisition threw him in dungeons for 8 years. They tortured him, demanded he take back his ideas. But Bruno understood something powerful about this truth and courage. When facing his judges, he declared they feared his ideas more than he feared their fire. This is the mindset of someone who values truth over comfort, wisdom over safety. In 1600, they burned him alive in Rome's Campo de' Fiori. He refused their crucifix, staying true to his vision until the end. Today, Bruno's infinite worlds theory forms the foundation of modern astronomy. His courage to stand by truth, even when it cost everything, shows us what real conviction looks like. Sometimes the greatest act of strength is refusing to abandon what you know is right.